So today we're going to be using one of these little cheap Walmart charcoal chimneys. This one cost about 10 bucks, but I find it very useful, very simple to use. First step, put a little newspaper at the bottom. Get it. Crumble it up. Put it in there as so. I like to cheat. I don't want to be struggling, so I use just some starter fluid. Set the paper on fire at the bottom. You give that about 20 minutes, you'll be good to go. And I'm not gonna make you wait that long, so we'll be back. It has been 10 minutes so far. You see the bottom, it's glowing red on fire. Top still smoking. Just a little update on you guys. Like I said, it's been 10 minutes and it's coming along nicely. It has now been 20 minutes exactly. Look at the bottom. Just the top, the left side is completely ready. The right side almost there. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and pour this into my barbecue grill and let them finish up in there because it's pretty much ready. Look at that, guys. 20 minutes and we're good to go.